Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 10 by 20 inch canvas that I painted a while ago. March 2022, this year. So I've got a variety pack of swipe cards and a dish that I'm going to put some Australian Floetrol in. And I'm going to try and do a double swipe over this keyhole swipe, which is, I like the colors, I like the design, but for some reason it's too regulated. So I'm going to do something somebody asked me to do a long time ago, which is to use some Australian Floetrol and see what happens. I'm going to add some of my favorite colors. In this case, this is the sour lemon with a little bit of Paroli orange from Intense, Vivid Intense. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. And you can find a coupon code for Colour Arte products underneath the video. I'm going to go on to, I've got a little bit of Jasmine, which is a primary element. The lemon was a Prizm pour. It occurs to me I didn't put any black in here and I might want to do that. I've got Meaden black. I haven't shaken it. And the only reason I would put the black in really and truly is because when I use the black, then I have a chance of more colors becoming silly. I'm not really planning on going over the main pattern so much as in between it, but we'll see how that goes. I've got some Chantilly lace. Which I may or may not swipe through if I like the pattern. I've never done exactly this before. I've got some true silver. I've got some blue velvet. True silver and blue velvet are both Prizm pours. You know what? I missed a spot with Chantilly lace. I'm sure somebody just told me about it. You missed one. Kind of hate to put it over that one with the leopard print cells in it, but I might swipe down, which should save me any trouble with that regard. I've still got some orange crush. And I'm planning on using my spatula, my little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula actually. But I can't wait to find out really and truly if the Australian Floetrol is going to do anything. And of course, where there's no paint in it, except for what I'm putting down now, it's going to dry clear. So what else do I want in there? I want some of the hot orchid. And I might want it twice. Or even 3 times. Because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book. They're on the Amazon link under the link tree underneath the show more underneath the video. I'm thinking that I'm not done with that wild orchid. Prizm pour. So that kind of gives me the impression I will be swiping something. I'm not looking for uniformity, but it's kind of hard to break out of that zone. So what do I want to start with? I want to use some of that black. I want to start in the middle. And I need a scrape dish, obviously. Because if I get some colors, I'm not going to want to waste them. I'm going to wipe that off in between. Oh, nice cells. Nice, nice cells. Let's do that again. Like this time. Well, I changed my mind. I was going to go for the orange down. Still pretty uniform. Not escaping my self-proclaimed doom, but I am liking the cells. They might be even a little bit better than the first time. So let's go for the orange. Do I want another color with it? That's the question. I've got some saffron, and I'm thinking maybe a little saffron, which is basically what's on either side of it also. Do I want more pink? I might. More jasmine. I do not know exactly what I'm going to do, but I am going to keep on with what's working so far. There, I just swiped over all kinds of good stuff. But it's a little less uniform than it was. So that's kind of making me happy. I did just destroy my favorite part of the painting. And even though I said I might leave the zigzags from Chantilly lace, I didn't do that, obviously. I might be almost done, with the possible exception of using this the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Now, do I want to go smaller? Do I even have a smaller piece? I think I'd have to cut one if I want a smaller one. So, let's just try something different. Dip my spatula in. Instead of dragging it. I'm going to quick like a bunny turn my fan on, I hope, because I can hear something in the background that I might not want to have there. Oh, that's obnoxious. I'm sorry. Usually it stops in a second. It's not stopping. So I am going to mark some lines through. They may not amount to much. Trying to steal a little paint. Now it's time to assess. I kind of want something over here, so I'm thinking more Chantilly lace. And what? And, more pink? I could do more pink. I can pretty much always do more pink. I might add a little, I hope it lasts. Maybe I'll do this first. This to drop. Thinking I want to put a little more here. Now do I want some black? I kind of do. Black where there was black. This time I'm going to use the spatula. I'm going to go down every one of them, evidently. Which was not my original intent, but I like that they look different now. There's still a few colors peeking through from before. I have enough paint, I hope, to steal some. Alright, I'm not unhappy with that. I say that now. So if I wipe the spatula down with paint on it and then go back and take it away, it leaves a little streak. I kind of want some more streaks. I think I'm going to put some black in my dish, my scrape dish. Of course, it may wind up being just totally obnoxious, but it might also wind up being very cool. What else? Anything else? I'm thinking, I'm definitely contemplating some blue. Because this is actually a lot of fun. So that's different. I'm not super pleased with that yellow yet. Well, sour lemon with orange. So I think I'm going to mess with it a little bit. maybe even more than a little bit. As long as I've got some paint left. Come on out. And I do. Yay. It's definitely time to mix more jasmine. Alright, I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and you can find playlists on my YouTube channel. Searching them, well, you need to go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or you can always just ask me. Do I want to dab another color up there? I kind of want it. I'm not sure what I want. I want to make sure that those orange dots look more even than they look right now. That's what I want to make sure. Because they're not looking even for some reason. Like, I didn't pay attention. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. That was kind of fun. So many things you could do. Just using the spatula to make a mark. Not sure where my next mark's supposed to be though. Kind of like that better. It's definitely fun. Every time I do something like this, I wonder if it's going to be a mistake or not. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I stopped paying attention, I'm sorry. I was definitely focused on my artwork. Let's shimmer a light on it. It's obnoxious and lots of sparkly fun. Which is what I needed. I needed some fun. I might be inclined to do another one. I want to just keep putting lines down through. Is that crazy? I'm going to do it anyway. The Floetrol did work, except for the fact that I kind of annihilated everything with my need to obsessively add more drag marks. Alright, I got 1 minute left. Tell you guys, thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. This is actually pretty slick. I'm not complaining at all. I love how shiny that Mayan gold is. It looks fabulous. This could really use a coat of resin. Wow, that's pretty from up here. No kidding. I succeeded. Too many colors is just enough. Except for that one line. And nothing is uniform, which is really okay. I needed it to be a lot less uniform. And it turned out every bit as good as I had hoped for, and maybe better. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links all on my link tree. All kinds of stuff on my link tree. Percentage off coupon code for Colour Arte products because I'm an affiliate. Thank you for being here. I love you guys. Thank you for your kind words and your comments and your donations through PayPal. And thank you for joining in the membership. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and you're going to be gone. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Anything you have, any questions, feel free.